Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be talking about installing the Natika front view camera on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma with a PX6 for a head unit inside. As you can see over here, I've already kind of mocked up the mount for this little camera. And I've got it mounted there on the leftover lip of the plastic bumper, but if you don't have a body armor bumper or you have a different grille, you'll have to come up with a different mounting option. All right, we're inside the vehicle. This is the PX6. We're gonna hook this up to the front camera option that is built into the PX6. And the camera, as I said, is a Natika. This is the box that it came in. Fairly sure that's the model number, but I'll put a link to that in the description below. Okay, so for front camera install, as far as the unit goes, all you have to do is hook up the wires to the two front camera labeled connectors that are part of the same bundle on the back of the unit. It's also the same bundle that connects the reverse camera, which should already be hooked up. So this one, F-cam video, and then this pink wire that says F-camera. I added this little quick connector so that I could make easy disconnects if I need to take this unit out for whatever reason. So I'm going to run the cable from the Natika camera to these down through my dash and firewall over to the front of the vehicle. Okay, those are attached, and then I'm going to put some electrical tape over them so that everything is protected and nothing comes loose. Okay, so once you've run the yellow cable with the red wire hanging off of it through the firewall, you're gonna attach that to the power cord that attaches to the camera. So basically, the yellow cable attaches to this black cable, the red cable to the red cable, and then there were two wires coming off of it that are for power and ground. With this system, you don't need them, so I just taped them off to make sure they were protected, but I'm not going to hook them up to anything because they are not needed for power to the camera with the PX6. So these two cables here will hook up to the two cables that match on the end of the camera, and then all should be well. And I've got mine installed right here. So we're back looking at the main screen. So I have an app here, it pre-installed on the PX6 called F-cam. And with the new front camera installed, that's the view we get from my front bumper. Also has access to the rear view camera. And that's without any special kits. That's built into the system already. So right after you install, if you followed my other install video, you should see the rear camera be able to be used by toggling back and forth between front and back. And so you'll have an anytime camera. And then I just made my main launcher here. Have a short link to that, so that I can see anytime I want.